Good morning and welcome back to the Built by Rich channel. It's a little slow today at work, so I'm gonna be working on an mr2. My tachometer don't work, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that today, or at least try to. And it's beautiful outside, so figure I should do it. But first, I'm gonna take the Z out for a spin, put some gas on it, just because I haven't taken it out for a while. And I gotta move some things around before I can do that. So let's do some park shuffling. Do it. Yup. There's mr2. There's the Z. Gonna move the GX first. I'm gonna do a build walk around on this thing one of these days, whenever I have time. Same with the Z. I just need to find some time to get it done, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this thing is mint. I mean, not really mint, but it's been through some things. This thing has gone through the Rubicon, a lot of trails, and she's been used, but she's a champ. She keeps working. So stay tuned for that. It's taken apart right now because I am gonna fix this, and also I fixed the fuel tank. So, but you can see that the RPM does not work. So, all right, let's take this cluster out. I feel like you guys already know how to take off the cluster. Some screws that you need to take off, some trims you need to take off, and then you can pull out the cluster. So I'm sure there's a ton of videos out there showing how to do it. So for time purposes, I'm just gonna skip that part and show you what you need to do to fix the tire. And just like that, it is out. As you can see, there's some aftermarket gauge face on it already. Not really a fan of it. I actually prefer the black stock OEM face, but it is what it is. It's what's on there. I'll make it work. The lights on it are flickering, so I gotta fix the wiring on it. Eventually I'm gonna change this whole thing up, but for now, let's just fix it. All right, we want to get access behind the Tach here, so all this needs to come off. So carefully pry the clips so that it doesn't break. All right, let me show you what we're replacing. If you can see right there, that is a capacitor. There's two of them. There's one right there, and there's one right there. Those often goes bad on the mr2. It's a common thing, and your Tach will stop working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna solder that out. We're gonna replace it with 10 UF capacitors, and that should fix it. Hopefully, we shall see. Sorry, my bench is currently occupied at the moment, so we're doing this on the floor. You want to take note of the polarity. That. Some solder. There we go. One down. Also, if you look, there's some silver stripe with a dash on it. That tells you the polarity. All right, there we go. pretty good. Now let's just see if it works. All right, she's all fixed, all put back together. Still gotta fix the radio. My front speakers is somehow not hooked up. But hey, let's check this out. And it works. RPM reading like it should. Engine light comes on right on cue. So there's another thing to fix, but there's another day. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, click subscribe and comment. This is going to be a long project. I got a lot of things planned for this thing, so stay tuned. Peace. Also, if you guys know any good way to remove the body kit, because everything is molded, so I gotta figure out a way to remove all the side skirts, fenders, because this is getting a wide body kit, but everything is molded, so I gotta take it all out. Let me know in the comments if you guys know. All right, thank you.